Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of May 26th, 2015. As always, the charts I look at come from the Trade Navigator software. And in looking at a weekly bond market chart here, it's hard to believe this last bar is just one day really, but that's what it is. You can see after this big downturn, they had a very large scale inside bar last week, which they've already taken out the high of. Kind of thought the 154.20 area could be a problem for them, but they seem to have gone through that with ease. That pretty much leaves the next target up here around 156.24. Support looked to be possibly as low as 152. If they get to that now, I wouldn't expect it to hold after going this high. But perhaps this sell-off is a bit overdone. I just find it humorous. They have Fisher from the Fed out telling everyone who will listen, we're going to raise rates. Just be prepared. We're going to raise rates. So the bond market goes up. It's just perfectly ironic. It's the way bonds behave. But really the key is, can they hold 156.24 or are they going higher? Because they could go higher. I mean, the mid-Keltner band is up here almost 159 or above 159. I wouldn't tell you that's out of the question. They could do that. Stocks, well, sort of an opposite situation. They came in after the holiday weekend and decided they didn't like anything. There was a possibility of them holding around 21.24. Below that, almost immediately, didn't hold 21.28 here, the middle moving average, and just kept going lower. Now, there was a little rally very late in the day that took them back up kind of surprisingly and could get them to go back above 21.08, and we'll have to consider that if it happens. But for now, they look weak enough that you would expect them to get down here to the lower moving average, which is below 20.85. Let's call it 20.83. And actually, I'd like to see that. I mean, if they just turn up from here, I don't really know how you buy them. But if they go down to 20.83 and hold, well, at least that provides an area that we can monitor and maybe get a chance to get long there. This is kind of surprising that they come in after the weekend this week on news that was, marginally good economically, not real good, just marginally good. Bonds go up, so they shouldn't be worrying about interest rates. I don't know. It's kind of a bizarre thing, but if they just turn up from here, I don't know how to buy them. So I hope they go down to 20.83. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with this week. Thanks for checking in to see what we think.